Number 6. The diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Look at the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD. So diagonals bisect each other means, listen, suppose this point is O. So diagonal bisect each other means OA length and OC length are equal. Similarly, OB length and OC length are equal. So this is the meaning, diagonals bisect each other. So listen, we need to prove OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. To this, let's take these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Okay, triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Listen, in this triangle AB and DC, what about these two sides? Yes, AB and DC are equal. What is the reason? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Now, listen this angle. Angle AOB and this angle. What is this angle? DOC. Okay. Consider the angles. One angle is AOB and next angle is DOC. Are they equal? Yes. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle AOB equal to angle DOC or COD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, again, ABCD is a parallelogram that is given. Parallelogram means these two sides are parallel. Okay, these two sides are parallel. Now, what is this AC? Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay, cut by a transversal. So, what is this angle? Angle OAB. OAB is equivalent to this angle, isn't it? Yes. Equivalent to angle DCO. So, angle OAB is equal to angle DCO. What are the angles? Yes, alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. So we have two angles and one side. We consider these two angles. By AAS congruence rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Okay. Here we need to prove diagonals are bisect each other. So we can apply CPCT rule. By CPCT rule, OA equal to, corresponding to OA, OC. Now OB equal to OD. Look at the figure. OA equal to OC, OD equal to OB. So diagonals bisect each other. Listen, we can consider another congruence rule. If we take instead of this angle, these two angles, okay, these two are alternate angle, these two are alternate pair, and OBA and ODC, these two are alternate angles. So if we consider these two angles and this side, now this is becomes ASA, two angles and included side. We can similarly prove these two triangles are congruent, and then by CPCT rule, OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. It's up to you. You can use or select any of the congruence rule. Our aim is to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Now the last theorem, theorem number 7. Actually, theorem number 7 is converse of theorem number 6. So theorem number 6 says diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we have a parallelogram and we need to prove diagonals bisect each other. Okay, we proved. Now theorem 7 is, it is given. Okay, diagonals are bisect each other in a quadrilateral. And we need to prove that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, we have only a quadrilateral is given. Suppose the quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. And given that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means OA equal to OC. It is given. OB equal to OD. These are given. We need to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Here we can consider these two triangles again, AUB and DUC. And in this triangle, OA side is equal to OC side. Yes. In this triangle, OB side equal to OD side. That also given. Now listen these two angles. What are these angles? Vertically opposite angles. So we have two sides and one angle. Is it included angle? Looking to one of the triangle only, AUB. So in this triangle, listen, two sides and included angle. So two sides and included angle means it is SAS. So by SAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent to each other. That is, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Apply CPCT rule here. Is CPCT rule? Yes. Corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. So we can write AB side is equal to CD side. AB and CD are opposite sides. So we obtain opposite sides are equal. Now we need to prove what opposite sides are parallel also. To prove parallel, we need to find alternate pairs of angles. Listen, this angle. Name the angle. What is it? Angle OAB, isn't it? Angle OAB. So from this congruence relation, you have to write angle OAB is equal to OAB. See the order? OAB. Here OCD. Angle OCD. Now look into figure. What is angle OCD? This one. Now say, are they alternate? Yes. Alternate pairs of angles are equal only when these two lines are parallel. So AB equal to DC and AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. So these are our properties of parallelograms. So okay. Now we have to see some problems based on these results. Let's watch.